Today we are going to discuss about mass spectroscopy. This unit contains introduction, basic principle, theory, brief outline of instrumentation, ion formation and types, fragmentation process, fragmentation patterns, fragmentation characteristic in relation to the parent structure and functional groups. Mass spectroscopy is one of the primary spectroscopic method for molecular analysis available to organic chemists. It is a microanalytical technique requiring only a few nanomoles of sample into obtaining characteristic information pertaining to the structure and molecular weight of the analyte. It is not a concern with the non-destructive interaction between molecules and electromagnetic radiation. It involves the production and separation of ionized molecules. In most of the cases, the nascent molecular ion of the analyte produce fragment ions by cleavage. Thus, the mass spectrum of each compound is unique, can be used as the chemical fingerprint to characterize the sample. So, these are the basic principles of mass spectroscopy. Mass spectroscopy is the most accurate method for determining the molecular mass of the compound and its elemental composition. In this technique, molecules are bombarded with a beam of energetic electrons. So, the molecules are ionized and broken up into many fragments, some of which are positive ions. Mass spectroscopy is used in two general ways: to prove the identity of the compound, to establish the structure of new compound. It can give the exact molecular mass, it can give the molecular formula, or it can reveal the presence of certain structural units in the molecule. This is the principle and instrumentation. The vaporized sample can be entered into the ionization chamber. In that chamber, it will be ionized and it will be oscillated and it will be get into the deflection chamber. In that, electromagnetic magnet can be deflected the vapors and it will be get into the vacuum pump. Then finally, using the amplifier, the required mass spectroscopy will be recorded in the chat recorder. So, this is the separate ionization chamber, oscillation unit, deflection chamber.